Mentarasni usumbut Menteri Rangba Jylla ba Preston Tunsong habakren haknya lang sam khusnam ye samla pule bla pas bah ha ki examen befer kebala penlong daga right laban sport social and cultural organization hasosotham auditorium long ba sarkar klabu ye ka thong ba usnem 8000 phopra ka jingpule ha Jylla ka deben long 6% long ba kumbak long menta ka Jylla dangduna haga pule ka puthi haga tho katar usumbut menteri rangba ulong kumbak long manta ka pule puthi haga Jylla ka dangduna ulakan tui samla ba yo kene ka burom menta ka sngi bakin long kino raktin ban kantu ya ka tho katar haga Jylla nang ban poi shaka thong ya ka ka ba ka sarkar ka angnut long ba ka jing khublei ka le chuba sanbor sulai namar ba kane ka khubor kam dei tai ka samla pule kalej ro shaki kmi ba keimlang salang namar kalong ka badang kam ban penslur yaki kon samla hagane gasngi ba preston loong ba don tangoi ko khubor bo kwa ban pha ashik pai ba non jong ka Jylla kalong ban te ye ka Jylla mekhlia ka ba khamha namar kidon ki briu habadon ki jingjia kinang tang ban kreukti ya ka ka bajia.
But I think you are all aware that the legislation that we have right now, it is still not that satisfactory. 92% we have. And our target, by 2028, we should reach the destination of 100%. So I salute Sanbor Sulai for this important program, because this message goes down not only to the students alone, but it goes down to the parents, to the community. We really need to encourage them. We have here all important dignitaries, I don't want to name, including the traditional heads, the Rambashno. My only message for today's function is, let us, all of us, take the responsibility of building up a better Meghalaya. Let us build up a better Meghalaya. Some people say, if anything unfortunate incident happened, people used to say, it's government failure. They know only to pinpoint the government. Preston Song is useless Home Minister. The criminal activities keep increasing in Shillong. But let me tell you one thing. I would like to place it on record. Our police force did a tremendous job. We keep doing that and we'll try to do the best. But my sharing with all of you is, let us, all of us, share the responsibility. Few incidents happened, I think within 1 month or maybe 2 months back. There were incidents which ultimately we said, it never happened in Meghalaya. But what happened? At the end of the entire process of investigation, we found out that it was fake. It's very unfortunate, it was fake. 3-4 cases happened that way. So I would call upon all the parents. Parents, you are just like a temple in your own sweet home. Please remember that. Being a father it is my bounden duty to give the best education to my children.